All you simply need to do is to come right here, copy this affiliate link in particular, and paste it right here right away, and you can practically start generating passive income virtually every other day on a spree. Take a look at this. If you're actually interested and you want to learn the exact blueprint on how to promote your affiliate links for free on the online space to enable you make 300k per month, even if you think you may be limited with the thought of being a beginner, then this video is for you. In this video today, I will be revealing to you the super simple and beginner friendly traffic method that will enable you promote your affiliate links in any niche of your choice. You will practically see me share with you every single step required, leaving no stone unturned. You will also see me share with you every step required on how to generate highly engaging content within seconds in the particular niche of your choice and on any product that you are promoting. And the cool thing about this is that you don't even have to create any of this yourself. I'm also going to show you how you can make use of this particular piece of content, linking it with your affiliate offer, and then making a lot of commissions as passive income each and every time people get to read and go over this content. And I'll then share with you how you can promote this piece of content with the use of a particular site that requires you to do nothing more but to click a single button, which will then result in you making well over 300k on a monthly basis. So if this is exciting to you, then hit the like button on this video so that this video gets to 1000 likes as fast as possible. And with all of that being said, let us get started with the first step of this training today. So the number one step is that we need to have an offer that we need to promote. Now, there are unlimited places that you can find offers to promote online, and one of such places is warriorplus.com. So all that is required of you is to head over to this platform, and I will have a link in the description for you to have access to this site. Then go through the registration process right away. Just fill out the required details and you're good to go. Once you're done with the registration process, right here on the dashboard, locate your marketplace. For this particular method that is free, it really doesn't matter what niche you get to choose. Also, don't forget to sort your product by the conversion rate, the date of release, and the sales volume. This will then list out the products that have high sales volume, the most conversions, and currently relevant and not out of date. You then have to get your affiliate link, and in order for you to do that, you have to request for it right here. You can then write a small information about yourself and how you intend to promote the product. Just write out something that will trigger a faster approval, although it is not necessary for you to do so, as certain vendors get to give you express approval. Once you have been approved, you will find your affiliate link right here. Copy your affiliate link, open a notepad, and have it pasted right there. And the reason for this is because we're going to be in need of it much later. Now, here is the catch. For every time someone gets to click on this link, let me show to you what this link looks like. They will then be redirected to the affiliate sales page, which looks just like this. And after a moment, a buy button will then appear, and when someone clicks on that button and buys the product using your affiliate link, you will then get credited for that sale in particular, and you begin to earn money in commission. Once you have your affiliate link, the next step is for you to go to another free website that is called anyword.com. I'm going to have this linked in the description box below for any form of reference that I mentioned in this video. So don't worry so much, just watch this video for the very first time and then understand the basics before you go ahead to applying what you get to learn in this. What you get to do next is to sign up for free right here on this site. Although they do have a paid plan, but you can make use of the free plan as well. Insert your email address right here, then click on start for free. Once that is done, you can sign up using some other option. But then let us go with the option of blog writer, because this will enable you to create a blog within just minutes with just a click of a button, and I'll show you how very shortly. So this AI tool can create a blog post for you and you can use it as content. And the cool thing is that you don't even have to write any of it yourself. What you need to do first is to give a brief description of the blog post you want to create, and this step in particular is most important. As you can see right here, it will guide this tool to give you more tailored results with more accuracy, and it requires that the description should be at least 5 words. So what we need to do is to take this product we want to promote, then write a title around it. Make sure that the description is one that is titled towards providing much value to your readers. Then you click on next. Then you will notice that it will start to generate potential blog titles for you. The cool thing is that it will show you some ranking numbers that will be showing up right here. And the higher the number in value, the better the title in relation to the description that you gave to the AI tool earlier. Meanwhile, you can go with any of the other suggested titles depending on what resonates with you or the brand that you are trying to promote. I will go with this one right here, then I will hit on the next button right here. As you can see, this AI tool is seamlessly creating content for you within just seconds. If you are not pleased with the options that it has provided for you, you can click on generate, and it should provide you with a set of other outlines that you can choose from and use them to develop your blog. So let me go with this one. Then I click on the next button to continue. It will then begin to write me an introduction paragraph for my blog post. This process will virtually take you hours to do normally, where you have to deal with a lot of research that you have to put into it. But this AI tool is doing this write-up for you in a matter of minutes. So if you are liking this video and feeling the vibe already, be sure to punch on the like button very quickly and leave a comment with the words "I like this," which will make me do more videos like this one. Now back to the introduction paragraph. This is the very first paragraph of the blog post. The AI tool gave us 5 options that we have to choose from. I will simply go with this first option right here simply because it has the highest score. But then you can go through the other options and pick the one that fits your own purpose. Then you click on next. Then click on continue to editor. You will then land on this editor page where it can provide you with even more details around the outline that it generated for you earlier. Now here is the outline with spaces to provide us with even more details. I will then hit on generate, and it will spill out more text that is related to the first tip in particular. Just by a click of a button, all of these is made available for me. Then I'll do the same for the other tip. And as you can see right here, the outline has been given more explanations. The next thing you need to do is to copy all of these right here. Now head over to Google and search for Google Docs. Google Docs is one out of the many free tools that Google gets to give to you when you sign up for a free Gmail account. And with the use of Google Docs, you can create a free document. You will then land on a blank page. Right click and then paste right here. Now here you have it. The blog has been written for us within a couple of minutes with just a click of a button. So what we need to do here is to do a little bit of editing to the blog post. You can highlight on the title and then make it bold. Add some spaces right here, right at this point, after each paragraph. This way, it will not only make the blog post easier for people to read, but also better for people to read. Now that we have our article, we need to promote this article so that we get some form of tractions that will lead to more clicks to our affiliate link. And here is the one place that I will recommend for you. It is called vocal.media. This site gives you the opportunity to post articles for free. If you get to scroll down, you will see a lot of articles from different people around the world. And your own article can form part of the list of these high-ranking articles. To get started, hit on the join button right here. Type in your name, your email address, your password, sign up and log into your account. Right here on the dashboard, hit on create story, and then I'll go back to Google Docs, copy the title and bring it back to this site and paste my own title. And then for start writing, I'll do a similar thing. I'll copy the outline and have it pasted right here also. I will then highlight the points from the outline and make them bold. And I have noticed that the more you make use of this tool doing this, maybe one blog post every day as an example, you get to learn the fastest way that you can actually use it too. Now here is what you need to do to make the money. Go down to the bottom of the article and type in something like, if you want to learn the #1 way to master the, now that space you see right there in bracket, put in your niche or your product. Then right after that, say something like, click here now. Then you get to highlight the click here now. What you need to do next is to locate the link icon right here. Then head over and copy your affiliate link or your landing page that is linking back to your affiliate link. You can see now that the click here now button is clickable. One other unique thing that you can also do is to go to this option right here, Upsplash. Then type in related keywords around the articles that you're trying to promote. You will then see all of these free and cool images for you to use. I will then select on this one and then I'll click on save changes right here. And as you can see, our article is ready to convert. So if you want to discover yet another beautiful method that will enable you make continuous commissions online, be sure to click on the video popping up on your screen right now so that you can have a better life. And I'll see you in the very next one.